Hi guys, my name's Addy. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make my favorite slime recipe. The ingredients that you'll be needing is 1 cup of hot water, 1/3 teaspoon of borax, 5 ounces of glue, 1/4 cup of room temperature water. You can add food coloring or glitter if you'd like. In a bowl, you're going to be adding your 1 cup of hot water, and your 1/3 teaspoon of borax. You're going to mix until dissolved. Once dissolved, you're going to set the bowl to the side. In a separate bowl, you're going to put your 5 ounces of glue and 1/4 cup of room temperature water. Mix. If you're adding food coloring or glitter, you're going to want to add it now. Mix until completely combined. After combined, you're going to add your glue mixture into your borax and water mixture. You're going to mix. After 30 seconds, you're going to put your slime into a dry bowl. Once it's in your dry bowl, you're going to knead until it's not sticky. After you're done kneading it and it's no longer sticky, you're going to place it in an airtight container for storage. And that's how you make my favorite type of slime.